Do you know the inside layout of this house? Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is length is 40 feet in meter 12 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have a living cum kitchen area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, also unit on the front wall, and we have a kitchen counter with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and we have a large size window for ventilation of this area. On the left side we have a room here. You can see here the bed arrangement, and also we have a large size glass panel here. After that we'll go on the right side. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we'll go on the right side. So we have a room. This is a bedroom number 2, and we have a bed arrangement, and we have a large size 2 windows for ventilation and light purpose, and also we have a attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.